Welcome our Farming Aid YouTube channel. Today we gonna see what and how we keep bees for honey production but also for other purpose. Beekeeping, also known as apiculture, is the practice of maintaining bee colonies to harvest honey, beeswax, and other hive products while supporting pollination and biodiversity. Humans have kept bees for thousands of years, with evidence of beekeeping dating back to ancient Egypt, Greece, and China. Today, beekeeping plays a crucial role in agriculture and environmental sustainability. Today we provides a comprehensive overview of beekeeping, covering the biology of bees, hive management, tools and equipment, common challenges, and best practices for maintaining a successful apiary in 7 basic components. The first component is understand bees. 1. The role of bees in nature. Bees are pollinators, meaning they transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction. This process is vital for the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without bees, global food production would suffer significantly. 2. Types of bees in a hive. A honeybee colony consists of 3 main types of bees, each with a specific role. The first one is queen bee. The only fertile female in the colony. Lays up to 2,000 eggs per day. Releases pheromones to regulate hive behavior. The second one is worker bees. Sterile females that make up the majority of the colony. Perform tasks such as foraging, hive maintenance, nursing larvae, and defending the hive. The third one is drones. Male bees whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen. Do not have stingers or contribute to foraging. Expelled from the hive before winter as they are no longer useful. 3. Bee life cycle. Bees go through 4 stages of development. Egg, laid by the queen, hatches into a larva in 3 days. Larva, fed by worker bees and undergoes rapid growth. Pupa, transforms inside a capped cell before emerging as an adult. Adult bee, takes on a role based on the colony's needs. The second component is setting up an apiary. 1. Choosing a suitable location. When selecting a site for your beehives, consider sunlight. Bees thrive in sunny locations with morning light. Wind protection. Place hives in areas shielded from strong winds. Water source. Bees need a nearby clean water supply. Accessibility. The site should be easy to reach for hive inspections. 2. Hive types. There are several types of hives used in beekeeping. First, Langstroth hive, most common. Stackable boxes with removable frames. Allows easy honey extraction. Second, Top bar hive. Horizontal design with individual bars instead of frames. Encourages natural comb building. Third, War hive. Vertical structure resembling a hollow tree. Less maintenance but harder to harvest honey. 3. Essential beekeeping equipment. Bee suit and gloves, protective clothing to prevent stings. Smoker, produces cool smoke to calm bees during inspections. Hive tool, used for prying open hives and removing frames. Bee brush, gently removes bees from combs. Third component is obtaining bees. 1. Methods of acquiring bees. Buying a nucleus colony, nuke a small, established colony with a queen, workers, and frames of brood. Purchasing a package of bees, includes a queen and several thousand workers in a ventilated box. Catching a swarm, natural method but requires experience. 2. Introducing bees to a hive. Install the queen in a cage for a few days to acclimate the colony. Release her after workers accept her presence. Feed sugar syrup initially to support colony establishment. Fourth component is hive management. 1. Regular inspections. Conduct hive checks every 7 to 10 days to ensure the queen is laying eggs. Check for pests and diseases. Monitor food stores and add feed if necessary. 2. Managing honey production. Adding supers, extra boxes placed on top for honey storage. Harvesting honey, use an extractor to remove honey without damaging combs. Filtering and bottling, strain honey to remove wax and debris before bottling. Fifth component is, pests and diseases. 1. Common pests. Varroa mites, tiny parasites that weaken bees and spread diseases. Wax moths, destroy combs by burrowing through wax. Small hive beetles, lay eggs in combs, leading to hive collapse. 2. Bee diseases. American foulbrood, AFB bacterial infection that kills larvae. Nosema, fungal infection affecting the digestive tract. Chalk brood, fungal disease that mummifies larvae. Prevention and treatment. Regularly monitor hives. Use mite treatments if necessary. Keep hives clean and well ventilated. Sixth component is, seasonal beekeeping tasks. 1. Spring. Inspect hives after winter. Feed bees if necessary. Prevent swarming by adding space in the hive. 2. Summer. Main honey production period. Continue regular inspections. Control pests like mites. 3. Autumn. Harvest honey before temperatures drop. Reduce hive entrances to prevent robbing. Ensure bees have enough food for winter. 4. Winter. Protect hives from extreme cold and wind. Provide supplemental feeding if stores are low. Minimize disturbances to avoid chilling the colony. The seventh component is, benefits of beekeeping. 1. Economic benefits. Selling honey, beeswax, pollen, and propolis. Renting bees for pollination services. 2. Environmental benefits. Enhancing pollination and crop yields. Supporting biodiversity by sustaining bee populations. 3. Personal satisfaction. A rewarding hobby that connects people with nature. Opportunities to learn and contribute to conservation efforts. Conclusion. Beekeeping is both an art and a science that requires knowledge, patience, and dedication. Whether you are interested in producing honey, supporting pollination, or simply enjoying the presence of bees in your garden, beekeeping can be a fulfilling and environmentally beneficial activities.